Hello, welcome to Fusion Cooking channel for another fun recipe. Today Fusion Cooking channel is presenting nuts powder or nuts poddy. This is a mixed nuts powder with a bunch of spices. It has all these ingredients in it mainly. Take about 20 almonds. Almonds are very good source of protein, vitamin E, and they are also source of healthy fats which are good for brain development. Particularly they will help with cognitive development, and it will prevent the cognitive decline. So in that way they are very helpful for the brain health and brain development. These are walnuts. Walnuts are rich in DHA and omega-3 fatty acids. They are very helpful for the brain development of the children, and they provide healthy fats. It is also said that they are in the shape of grain, so they are good for brain health. Cashews. Cashews are rich in healthy fats. They'll add a great taste to the powder. Pumpkin seeds are very healthy seeds. They are rich in protein, bunch of minerals, iron, calcium, magnesium, and manganese. They are very good for brain development and very healthy food for anybody, for people of all ages. So we are taking all these ingredients which are very healthy, and sometimes it is difficult to feed to the children. Particularly, these are sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds also very rich in protein. For example, 100 grams of sunflower seeds give about 42% of daily value of protein, and they are very rich in iron, particularly in magnesium, and they provide a very good healthy fats. And peanuts are affordable, and they are supposed to have more protein than even meats like chicken. And they also have very healthy fats which are good for heart and brain. Overall they are very healthy. So dry roast them slightly until they are crisp. So nutritionally all these ingredients are very good for overall health. They have protein, healthy fats, minerals, and additional nutritions. So they are very good, and it is difficult to feed them to children. That's why in this recipe we are making it as a powder, and this powder can be made once and stored, and it can be enjoyed with different foods. We are adding whole coriander seeds or dhania, about a tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Dry roast them very lightly. They can get burnt very easily and very quickly, so patience is the key here. Take about 10 red chilies for this recipe. You can adjust the red chilies to your taste and depending on the nature of the red chilies. Add curry leaves and garlic cloves, about 6 garlic cloves and a handful of curry leaves. They'll add great taste, and they're very healthy ingredients too. Dry roast them until the red chilies, garlic and the curry leaves are crisp. Turn off the stove and then add a little bit of tamarind. This is optional, but this will neutralize the taste of the entire powder, and it will add a little bit of tanginess to it. So it has the goodness of all nuts, seeds and spices. Obviously the curry leaves, the garlic, the coriander seeds and the cumin seeds, they are also good for health. So let them cool completely. They have to be completely at room temperature and completely cooled down. That will do two things. It will make them crisp up, and it will be easy for it will be easy to make them into a fine powder. Do it in small batches and use pulse mode. In our channel, many people in the past told that they are getting this powder really mushy, because you have to roast them first in a low flame until they are crisp, and they have to let them cool down fully. That is the key. And also make sure that you are doing them in small batches, and you are doing them using pulse mode in the blender. You can add salt to any batch, and adjust the salt to your liking. We added about a tablespoon of salt for the entire batch, and it seemed to be about right size, right amount. And we are also adding the garlic towards the end, because it may ooze out a little moisture, so you want to keep it towards the end and mix it with the entire powder. The tamarind and the garlic will add little moisture to the powder, making it easy to serve with idli or rice. And this is very tasty, very nutritious, and it has all the right ingredients for easy digestion and as well as taste. This can be stored in room temperature for about a month, and it can be stored in fridge for longer. You can store it for 6 to 8 weeks, as long as you are keeping it airtight and keeping it in a safe container, so that once you make it, it can be used for a longer time, and it comes handy for busy people. Here we are going to show a couple of ways how this powder can be used. Idli is a very popular breakfast item, at least particularly in South India and many parts of North India. So this powder you can serve with idli. Just take a piece of idli and dab it into this powder, and it will add great taste, and instead of chutney that can be used. And this can also be mixed in rice, and it can be given any time of the day, and you can give a serving every day. Adding ghee will make it really tasty and easy to eat and easy to gulp for the babies. And this powder can be given for babies 1+ years of age. Everybody can enjoy after that age, and you can adjust the spice levels and salt to your taste, and this can be enjoyed along with papad and other sides as well. We hope you liked this video. Please like and share your comments and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.